Hire this Casablanca Palisades fan. I turn on low with the Lutron Toggle 3-speed wall control, and it be shown medium and high. This fan is made in July 9, 1998. It's 1,278 unit made that day. It has a hole where the pull chain was. Most rooms just had a pull chain removed. It stayed in one room at the hotel where the pull chain was removed at low speed, in which I corrected the height by unscrewing a chain nut, and that fan was on a dimmer. And I can imagine maybe someone accidentally left on low this fan too, and then someone knew how to fix it. Like not that long ago, I stayed in another room Palisades with the wrong pull chain, and with the help of maintenance man, I knew how to wire the chain so it would be on high speed. And now the chain's inside this space housing other Palisades. And this Palisade was already like that. Also, one blade has the weight for balancing kit. So maybe when it first ran high, it could have wobbled a little bit, and then someone bounced it. The first time I stayed in the hotel in another room, the concentra where I had to correct the chain from low to high, it did wobble when I first turned it on high. I wouldn't be surprised if it bounced it by now. The fan doesn't wobble at all with its bouncing weight, and the satellite blows tons of air. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.